Since you know that we had taken 4.1%, 4.6%, 5.1% and 5.6% PB. With these values, we are going to study the different properties. And that property then I will elaborate further. First property, which is very mandatory for the development of the mix design, is GMM. At each binder content, with each binder content, we will determine this GMM by ASHTO T209 method. First thing, when we have determined this value of GMM, second, we have to determine the value of GSE from GMM. Second point is clear. When GMM is known, we can find out the value of GSE. It is very vital because some property we have to study if GSE is available. Next, this all property is related with the loose mix. Now we will come to know, after aging, short-term aging, like mix at compaction temperature. We will develop the specimen. Develop gyrate specimen by ASHTO (312) method. Keep this in mind. When this thing is done, it means we have the gyrate specimen in our hand. When we have this specimen in our hand, we will have to go to the next stage, that is GMB determination by ASHTO T166 method. Clear is? When this GMB is known, next we have to find out the value of GMB at the rate of N initial from GMM. From GMB at N dash. You know, this value of GMB which we are finding out, this is actually GMB N dash. From this GMB N dash, we have to calculate GMB at N initial. When this value has been calculated, next we will find out percentage GMM at the rate of N initial, percentage of GMM at the rate of N dash. These two properties will be determined. Second one, next, we will study the volumetric properties. Let me tell you what are those volumetric properties. It means I have to find out the value of air voids for each binder content. I have to find out the value of VMA, VFA, then dust to binder ratio. These are our volumetric properties. When we have done all of this, which I have written over here, then we will try to reach to the conclusion that which design should be considered, at which binder content we are going to get the 4% air voids, and then the other two properties or other remaining properties will be verified from this. So in my coming video, I will go on explaining this. At some places, I will give you some description more, but mostly I will go on giving you only data because the previous all my videos are related to the description. Thank you for seeing this.